Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, support me by subscribing. Thank you. 45 divided by 9 will give us 5 times 9, which is equal to what? 45. Divide by what? 45, which is equal to what? 1. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, we have to first of all solve the bracket, division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction from left to right. So if we are solving this thing correctly, we have to first of all solve this bracket. 45 divided by 9 is equal to what? 5. Remember there is invisible multiplication here. Times 9 divided by what? Now pay attention. You know that in the order of operation, division comes before multiplication. So we have to divide this guy. So 45 divided by 9 is equal to what? 5 times this 5, which is equal to what? 25. So our final answer is what? 25.